ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय खानव शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। One question was raised on page number 463. Tika, second last line. प्रमाण सामग्री अभावाच्च स्वप्नस्य मिथ्यात्वम इत्याह। 11 number टिप्पणी. It says अत्र सर्वत्र हेतुषु शुक्ति रूप्यादि दृष्टान्तः. How do you say if praman samagri is not there, then something is mithya? Because drishtanta is there, anumana pramana is there. We saw anumana pramana that swapna is mithya baditatvat, like shukti rupyavat. So anumana is there, drishtanta is there. Then why do you say pramana samagri abhavat swapnasya mithyatvam? So the answer is, I hope everybody understood the question, objection. Answer is, praman samagri, if it is there, that jnanam will become praman. So here, praman samagri is not there to make it praman. Therefore, it is mithya, and that mithyatva is supported by anumana pramana. In this way, you should understand. Like Rajju Sarpa, jnanam is not happening to pramata. Rajju Sarpa jnanam is not happening to pramata. It is happening to whom? Sakshi. Is Sakshi Bhasya. And it does not use pramana vritti, it uses avidya vritti. Therefore, that pramana samagri, pramana vritti, pramata, they are not involved. Therefore, it is mithya. So that drishtanta, shukti rupya drishtanta, you have to understand in this way. Then, with this drishtanta, using anumana pramana, we say it is mithya. So, pramana samagri abhava is for satyatva abhava. Pramana samagri is not there means its satyatva is not there. Because its satyatva is not there, therefore swapna is mithya. In this way, you should understand this. A good point. Somebody thinks about all these ideas. Sometimes we take it for granted, sometimes we miss it. We think, yes, that line is clear, but certain aspects are not clear. So I am assuming it is clear now. Now come back to page 465. Mantra. Atha yada sushupto bhavati yada na kasyachana veda itanam nadyo dvasaptatihi sahasrani hridayat puritatam abhipratisthante ताभिः प्रत्यवसृप्य पूरितति शेते स यथा कुमारो वा महाराजो वा महाब्राह्मणो वा अतिग्नीम आनंदस्य गत्वा शयित एवमेवैष एतच्छेते। अथ यदा सुषुप्तो भवति, so now when he is sushupta, then what happens? Yada na kasyachana veda. What is the lakshana of sushupti according to Mandukya? Yatra supto na kanchana kamam kamayate na swapnam pashyati tat sushuptam. In this way, यदा सुप्तो सुषुप्तो भवति यदा न कस्यचन वेद, means न किंचन वेद. Then so you have to know where to pause in the vakya, in the mantra, because everything is together. Then hita nama veda is what? Tinganta kriyapada. He does not, na veda means na vijanati. Hita nama nadya. There this hita nama nadis are there. Dvasaptatihi sahasrani. Dvasaptatihi means 72. Sahasrani means 1,000. How many? 72,000. Now you see these things, nobody is going to count. Means they had understood through some other pramana, not by pratyakshadi pramana. What I am trying to show is this. These things they will know only through alaukika pratyaksha or yogaja pratyaksha. Yogaja only. Dvasaptatihi sahasrani. Hridayat, from that hridaya, puritatam abhipratishtante. Puritat is the nadi. In Puritat Pradesha you call whichever way you want to understand. So these 72,000 nadis, they are going to this Puritat Pradesha, Puritat Nadi. Abhipratishtante. Tabihi pratyavasrupya puritati shete. Tabihi nadibihi, all these nadis, which are there all over in the Sharira, from there it comes to Hridaya Desha in Puritati. Puritati shete. Puritati is Saptami ekvacha. Puritati shete. Avasrupya means having returned. Avasrupya. Pratyavasrupya means having returned. Then Sayatha Kumaro va Maharajo va Mahabrahmano va Atignim. Atignim means his shoka, he does nasha of that. Atignim anandasya gatva, and he goes to Ananda. Shaitam evam eva esha etachete. Like how Kumara, a child, or king, or Mahabrahmana, some drishtanta is there. Anybody like us, you eat some Ramanavami special food, Ndara is there, it is so hot, turn on the fan, Atignim Anandasya Gatva. So all Shoka Nasha will happen, you will go to Ananda. Atignim, what is the dhatu there? Han dhatu. Han dhatu, Gna Adesha. What is the sutra? Ho hanten nirneshu. Ho hanten nirneshu. This is the sutra 7354. 7354. So Han Dhatu will get Ghakara. Hakarasya Ghakara. Then everything else is there. In the same way, this person also goes to sleep. Evameva Eshaha Etat Shete. Etat is again Kriya Vishesha. This Vijnanamaya Prakaranam is going on. What was the last Pratipadanam that was done? Vijnanamaya is Vishuddha, not affected by Jagrat and Swapna. This was the Mukhya Pratipadana. Means we should not forget the main track. In particular, when the Grantha is very big, then we will lose what is happening. Puritata, it will come in Tika, it will come. So, this Vijnanamaya first-hand experience, exactly, I am sure everybody had. Today I had very close Vijnanamaya Anubhav. Means what is Vijnanamaya? Exactly. So you can say this way, that when it is present and you are close to fire, or fire is close to you, then it is asahya. And when that Vijnanamaya is absent and that fire is all over, there is nobody to complain, right? This Sharira, if it goes in fire, let us say, not for sannyasi, for others, nobody will say anything. But if fire comes anywhere close, immediately you will feel the burn. Today, because Navami Homa is there everywhere, our ashram also there. So I was there to do Purnahuti, to do the Purnahuti. So much ghee was there. And in that, big wooden pieces were there. So that ghee had to be offered. We kept the ladle this high from the fire. And still when that ghee was offered, the flames all the way up. And immediate reaction is you want to remove your hand. You can see Vijnanamaya exactly what it is. Okay, let us see now. Page number 466. Tika. Swapne api shuddhi ukta. Kim sushupti grahena ityashankya aha. In Swapna also there is shuddhi. So what is there for sushupti? Why sushupti is being explained now? भाष्य अथ यदा सुषुप्तो भवति यदा स्वप्नया चरति तदापि अयं विशुद्ध एव. यदा सुषुप्तो भवति, then in sushupti यदा स्वप्नया चरति, in sushupti if there is swapna, तदापि अयं विशुद्ध एव. In swapna also he is vishuddha. So this is the mukhya pratipadana. अथ पुनर् यदा हित्वा दर्शन वृत्तिम, करेक्ट? अथ पुनर् यदा हित्वा दर्शन वृत्तिम स्वप्नम यदा यस्मिन् काले सुषुप्तः सुष्ठु सुप्तः संप्रसादम संभाव्यम गतो भवति, स्वाभाव्यम गतो भवति। अथ पुनः एंड ऑल्सो वंस अगेन यदा हित्वा दर्शन वृत्तिम स्वप्नम, when he gives up swapna darshana, means swapna jnanam also is given up. Hitva darshana vrittim swapnam. Darshana vrittim is visheshana for swapnam. यदा यस्मिन् काले सुषुप्तः सुष्ठु सुप्तः संप्रसादम स्वाभाव्यम गतो भवति, then he goes to संप्रसाद. संप्रसाद means स्वाभाव्यम, goes to his own स्वभाव, स्वस्वरूप ब्रह्मैक्यम. सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी. where विशेष ज्ञान विक्षेप is not there. विशेष ज्ञान विक्षेप अभावेन संप्रसन्नः. Because when vikshepa jnanam is there, when vishesha jnanam, then manah is tired, right? Mind gets exhausted when continuously there is vishesha jnanam. That is how it is explained in Mandukya Bhashya. And therefore you need some time off, break. Prabhavyam gato bhavati. Gato bhavati, Tika connect that point. Previous page. गतो भवति तदा सुतराम अस्य शुद्धिः स्थित्यति इति शेषः. When he goes to Sushupti, then Sutaram Vishuddhi. Sutaram means completely, totally. Not that it is not Vishuddha in Jagrat or Swapna. It is Jagrat or Swapna also, it is Shuddha only. But in Sushupti, it is very clear that it is Shuddha. Samprasadam means Svabhavya. Samprasada literally means Samyak Prasadanam means Sam pra upasarga purvak. Sada is actually sad dhatoh rupa. Samprasadam means to stay very well, to sit very well, or to be very well. Chandogya is there in Ashtamadhyaya at the end in Ekadasha Khanda you will see probably. Ashtamadhyaya Ekadasha Khanda. Brahmaji and Indra, Prajapati Indra. Sushupti. Samprasadam is taken as Sushupti only. Salilam iva anya sambandha kalushyam hitva swabhavyena prasidati. See, samprasadam prasidati. That prasidati is sadhatu. Sidati I asked in the Sarva Vedanta class yesterday. Right? Prasidati. Sadhatu. Visharan gati avasadanayo. Visharan gati avasadaneshu. Swabhavyena prasidati. How? Anya sambandha kalushyam hitva. Giving up the kalushya which comes from anya sambandha. Like salilam iva. Salilam is swachham. When there is anya sambandha kalushya, then it becomes malina. Then again, you remove all that, it becomes swachha. Tameva sushupti kalam prashna purvakam prakatayati. Now somebody is asking, what is that sushupti kalam? Kada sushupto bhavati? Yada yasmin kale na kasyachana na kinchana ityartho veda vijanati. Kasyachana means in the meaning of kinchana. Yada yasmin kale na kasyachana veda. This is there in the mantra. So Bhashyakar says na kinchana ityartha. Veda means vijanati. कस्यचन वा शब्दादेः संबंधी वस्त्वंतरम किंचन न वेद इति अध्याहार्यम्. Means when he does not know Shabdadi jnanam is not there. Shabda sparsha rupa rasa, neither of Indriya Sannikarsha nor through mind, Vasana Janya. न कस्यचन वा शब्दादेः संबंधी वस्तुअंतरम किंचन न वेद इति अध्याहार्यम्. टीका विकल्पम व्यावर्तयति. What is the vikalpa possible? Vikalpam व्यावर्तयति. पूर्वम तु न्यायम सुषुप्ते तु विशेष विज्ञान अभावस्य विवक्षितत्वात्. पूर्वम तु न्यायम. What is पूर्वम? This is tough one. You see the भाष्य. यदा यस्मिन् काले न कस्यचन न किंचन इति अर्थो वेद इति अर्थो देन वेद विजान. कस्यचन वा शब्दादेः संबंधी इत्यादि. किंचन न वेद इति अध्याहार्य. So now he says न कस्यचन न किंचन. Of these two, he says न कस्यचन is न्यायम. That is the पूर्वम. So the Tikakar in Tika, what he said? Vikalpam vyavartayati. What is the vikalpa? Na kinchana. This is the vaikalpika rupa. So that's why he said kinchana na veda iti adhyaharya. Right? So purvam shabda is for na kasyachana. That is nyaya. न कस्यचन वेद means शब्दादेः संबंधी वस्तुअंतरम न किंचन. So that's why he says kasyachana is better. See how it is given in Hindi. Na kasyachana veda means he does not know anything. कुछ भी नहीं जानता. अथवा और किसी भी शब्द आदि के संबंधी किसी भी वस्तु अंतर को नहीं जानता. शब्द आदि के संबंधी will be some घट पट, some शब्द, some रस विशेष etc. संबंधी किसी भी वस्तुअंतर को नहीं जानता. So he does not know any other object other than himself, or nothing he doesn't know. So instead of saying he doesn't know any vastuantar, he says the first vikalpa which said na kasyachana veda. He doesn't know anything. This chana actually is pratyaya. Kasyachana, kinchana, kashchana, like that. So पूर्वं तु न्यायम. Why? Supte tu vishesha vijnana abhavasya vivakshit. Sushupti is where vishesha vijnana is completely absent. Vrittam anudya prashna purvakam sushupti gati prakaram darshayati. Now that hita nadi and what is puritata, all that will be explained. Prashna purvakam sushupti gati prakaram darshayati. What is the स्वरूप of सुषुप्ति? सुषुप्ति गति एवं तावद विशेष विज्ञान अभावे सुषुप्तो भवति इति उक्तम. When विशेष विज्ञान is not there, that is called सुषुप्ति, that you said. केन पुनः क्रमेण सुषुप्तो भवति इति उच्यते. Now in what sequence he will become सुषुप्त, means how he will attain सुषुप्ति इति उच्यते. हिता नाम हिता इति एवं नाम्न्यो नाड्यः शिरा. There are this hita namaka nadi. Hita nama nadyah. Nadyah is there, therefore namnyah. Namnyah, what is the pratipadika? Namni. Namni. So namni ekvachan, namnyah bahuvachan. Namnyah nadyah. Like nadi, nadyah. Namni, namnyah, nadyah. Shira. Shira means they are like veins, what we call. How it is Tippanika. This is given in Bhashya. Well, I don't remember if it is there in Bhashya. It is there in Vartika, I saw. Kadamba Kusuma Udbhuta Keshara Samaha. You know saffron? The saffron has those, the whatever, what do they call? Saffron strands. Saffron Keshara Samaha. How they are so thin, like that these nadis are there in the Sharia. But we also say they are not pratyaksha, they are very sukshma. And they are there only in this Kadamba Pushpa. That's why it is called Kadamba Kusuma. Kadamba Kusuma Udbhuta Keshara Sama. The Vartik Sara, this shloka is given. Kadamba Kusumodbhuta Kesara Iva Sarvataha. Prasrita Hridayad Nadyo Bahwan Rasa Puritaha. This is exactly what is given there. So, if you read and study more, then you will get all the connections. And they are what? Bahu Anna Rasa Puritaha Nadyaha. Dehasya Anya Rasya Viparinama Bhutaha. They are Dehasya Anna Rasa Viparinama Bhutaha. So we studied that in these nadis, which come all the way to Hridaya Desha, some particular liquid, if it is there, that kind of dream you will see. This we saw this when we studied Anubhuti Prakasha. Means I'm not going to ask whether it is yellow, then what will happen, and when it is red, because you had lot of masala, so then what dream you will see. But you can understand that food is going to influence your swapna. And of course, your vasanas are also included there. They are also responsible. Tika. Hita phala prapti nimittatvan nadyo hita uchyante. Why they are called hita? Because they will give you hita phalam. Hita phalam means what you want, what you are seeking in the form of swapna. Hita phala prapti. Nimittatvat nadyah hita iti uchyate. They are hita. Tascha dvasaptatihi. Further in Tika, one more sentence. Tasam deha sambandhanam अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम अन्न रस विकारत्वम आह. They are associated with deha sambandha, and through अन्वय व्यतिरेका their anna rasa vikaratvam. They are anna rasa parinama and they are filled with that. तासाम एवं मध्यम संख्याम कथयति. Their middle number is given. Why middle number? 9 number टिप्पणी. Anena. Now I'm not going to say this in Sanskrit. Whatever that number is, it is 72 crore 72 lakh 10,201. Iti uttama. And 101 is adhama. So shatam cha eka cha hridayasya nadyah tasam murdhanam abhinisrite. That Kathopanishad mantra is there. So 101 nadis, they are little probably small number primary. Then 72,000 will be slightly secondary number. And then this 72, 72, 100, 201 is larger. Not anybody's phone number. But this is bigger number. So Madhyama Sankhya is what? Tasya dvisaptatihi sahasrani. Dve sahasre adhike saptatisya sahasrani. Taha dvisaptatihi sahasrani. Bhagavan Bhashyakar explains what is 72,000. Dve sahasre adhike. 2,000 more than saptatisya sahasrani. One Mahatma is there in our ashram. Few years back, Corona time, there was not much, nothing to go out. So he had come to my room, telling me about some sadhana he is doing. Then I just asked him, I said, Aapki ayu, like, how old are you now? So he said 75 plus 3 or 3. Means how they count, I don't know. Some way is there, 75 and 3. So it is like 2 and 70 will become 72. So this is old style of counting, I think. Sanskrit style is this only. This is how they will count. Everywhere it is this way of counting, I know. The Sanskrit style is this. 65, so they will say 5 on 60. Somehow they have this thinking. So, Dve sahasre adhike saptatisya sahasrani. 2,000 on top of 70,000. So that is 72,000. It is dva saptatihi sahasrani. Hridayat. Now they are from Tika. Tika says, Tasam cha hridaya sambandhininam tato nirgatya deha vyaptya. So they are hridaya sambandhi, means they go all the way up to hridaya. Now what is this hridaya? Here they are bahirmukha. So from hridaya they go and all these places, all over body they are. What is hridaya? Hridayat. Hridaya here is not antakarana. Hridayam nama mansa pindaha. The actual red one. Mamsapindas. Tasman Mamsapindat. Pundarika Akarat. Puritatam. What is Puritatam? Hridaya Pariveshtanam Achakshate. Tad Upalakshitam Shariram Iha Puritat Shabdena Abhipretam. Puritatam is actually Hridaya Pariveshtanam. Means heart is there and around that heart this nadi is there. Puritat nadi. Which elsewhere also it is said that in Puritata when Jiva goes, he sees swapna or he sleeps, etc. So here Puritatam means Hridaya Pariveshtanam. Pariveshtanam means that which envelops it. So actually it is a nadi. Hridaya Pariveshtana nadi is called Puritata. But tad upalakshitam shariram, here it is taken as upalakshana for sharira. So here Puritat Shabdena Shariram Abhipretam. Here by Puritata Sharira is taken. Means what is said? See, instead of saying by the 72,000 nadis, Puritata is pervading, or Puritata is pervaded. Puritata nadi is pervaded by the 72,000. Instead of saying that, the 72,000 pervades the Sharira. So he says, by Puritata Shabda, you take Sharira. Shariram iha Puritat Shabdena Abhipretam. Puritatam Abhipratishtanta iti Shariram Kritsnam Vyapnuvatyaha. Vyapnuvatyaha Kaha Nadyaha. These 72,000 nadis, they pervade the whole Sharira. Means what must be happening is like this. This Hridaya is there, right? Around that is Puritata. So they will be going through that Puritata all the way up to the end of body, like up to here, somewhere in the body it must be coming. So they all have some connection in Puritata area, but it reaches out to the entire body. And therefore, instead of just saying the word Puritata only, entire Sharir is represented here. Vyapnuvatyaha. How do they pervade this entire Sharira? Kritsnam Vyapnuvatyaha Ashwatha Parna Rajaya Iva Bahirmukhyaha Pravritta Ityarthaha. Going out of Hridaya is Bahirmukhya. How? Ashwatha Vriksha Parna Raji. Ashwatha Vriksha, you know, we have here one. What do they call? People. People, that leaf is there. In that, if you see those lines are there, you know, the main and then those smaller nadis. How they pervade the entire leaf. Like that, these nadis, 72,000, Hita nadis, they pervade the entire Sharira. Ashwatha Parna Rajaya Iva. Tad Upalakshitam Shariram. Hridaya Upalakshitam, or actually Puritata Upalakshitam Shariram. No, Sharira means Sharira only. Or Hridaya. Sharire Karananam Buddhi Tantra. In Tika it is given later little. Shariram Saptamyartha. Sharire Karananam Buddhi Tantratve Kim Syat. In that Sharira there is Buddhi. See, these are the shlokas. So I read the Kadamba Kusuma. They are Annarasa Puritaha. Then Nirgatya Hridayat. Buddhihi Tasu Swapnam Prapashyati. Buddhi coming out from Hridaya. Because it is Antakaranam. The Buddhi is Antakaranam. Its Sthanam is Hridaya. Hridaya is the Golaka. Hridayat Buddhihi Tasu Swapnam. Tasu Nadisu. In these Nadishu. In these Nadis, Swapnam Prapashyati. Tabhir Dehad Bahir Gatva Jagarti iti abhidhiyate. Then through that, having gone out of Deha, they go attain Jagrat. Punaha Pratyavasrupyesha. Pratyavasrupya Esha Puritat वेष्टिते हृदि प्रविश्य लीयते देहम व्याप्य सामान्य वृत्तितः. So Sharira means you take Sharira only because the nadis are all over in the Sharira. These 72,000 or whatever number you take. टीका ताभिर इत्यादि. हाँ, up to with this we keep. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.